Hi, so this is about my journey with the cancer and the treatments and all. So a new update because I've been sharing you the hospital visits, the review sessions and all. So since 1 month I've been for this review and a couple of tests and all. So again I was advised for the MRI because I feel some pain up sometimes and all. So even I have some rashes over my hand. These are the symptoms where the last two relapses last relapse I had started with this skin allergy on my hand. So something grows inside, it reflects on the skin. So that might be a symptom because I've been sharing my doctor regarding this symptom. She was saying, no, this should be something dermatological problem. But I think that no, it's not a dermatological problem because when I was in Pune, even then for the first time when I was diagnosed with this, the symptom was this hand allergy only. So this time also from April, I was having this ringworm kind of allergy on my hands, these spots. So this comes, this irritates a lot. I use Candid and all, but for some time it really relaxes. So I was discussing in my past two reviews with doctor. So I only just she was also a little bit worried and she advised for the PET scan. See, PET scan is a diagnostic scan which is a high-end scan for the cancers, which gives you a molecular level of study on the whole body. So they give you radiological treatment, radioactive treatment. So that treatment, they inject radioactive material into your body. So it will show you the FDG uptake or where the cells, the bad cells are there. It will just eliminate. So that contrast doesn't suit me, and that irritates me. That contrast. So I'm a bit worried, and I told Dr. Morgan go for the MRI. If MRI is something wrong or something, then I will go for the PET scan because I'm very much not okay for the PET scan. So I've been for the MRI and the MRI result has come, but I didn't share you all. So MRI is not very good. So it is showing some growth over the umbilical area and the liver part where I have the earlier resection. So doctor was saying that it could be a relapse because it's a known cancer. So and mine is an aggressive one. The third stage one is an aggressive one, got metastated. So yeah. So again, I'm very much upset, and also here's the reason why I couldn't come out and speak with you guys. Was videos and all were stopped for some days, and I was not able to speak even because this upsets me a lot, and it creates some worry also. And the support is important, the moral support, because and I don't find from the person I love so much. So that's the main problem also. So even that upsets me a lot, and I go mad over that. So this is the thing. And you know what I'm going to do now, because what the doctor, the surgeon told me is like you wait for 2 months, because mine was a big surgery done in 2019, onco surgery, and in 2023 last year I've been with the big surgery again. So these surgeries could not be done all at once, and even I have a big mesh for the hernia which was repaired. So the defect is okay, but repaired, but the umbilical area and the mesh wherever it is there, it shows some fluid collection out there. So this fluid collection was there in my earlier ultrasound also, but this fluid collection could be a sign or something. So doctor told like we'll go for a biopsy in the coming 2 months. So you wait for 2 months, and if it is progressive, then we will go for second line chemo or some other treatment like cancer. See, and since I have not taken the chemo after my surgery, because I'm very much afraid of the chemo and all, it doesn't suit me, and even the score is not good. for the earlier chemos. So I had been on hormonal therapy. When hormones were working, which I'm taking, then values came down, but not very much. It was double even now, but it was 10 times earlier. So it has come to double. So it is okay. So this time, what I'm thinking is I'm just searching for the alternate medicine. Alternate medicine is herbs, which in Bible we find that God has created some herbs to heal us. Even many devotional books we find that herbs are the healing objects which God has created for us. So yeah, so even I encourage living plants and all. I do a lot of episodes on the plants and all. When I take herbal teas, I prepare herbal teas and all. But this time for me, it's bet on this. So, and I have seen a video on Punarjan. So Punarjan Ayurvedic. So even you can type Punarjan Ayurvedic. So it's in Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. So these people, they are Siddhi Ayurvedic people, and there are lot of reviews, lot of videos since 1.5 years. They were shooting like, and I've seen these videos, but I couldn't believe that like it could heal or something. And even the doctors don't suggest. So that's the reason I did not go for the Ayurveda. So this time, since I am given 2 months, so you people pray for me and see that see this parcel has come from the Punarjan hospital. So I have taken online consultation since I'm not very well to travel to Vijayawada or Hyderabad. So I've been requesting this guy since many days, like 4 or 5 days. I was continuously calling them for an online consultation. So I sent all the reports, and finally yesterday they have given me an online consultation. So immediately they suggested me regarding the diet, what you're supposed to take, and what this medicine actually does is increase your immune system and stop the growth of the cells. So they are saying like root level medication something. So let us see. And the thing is the belief and faith which we are taking. So till now I trusted the chemos and all, and they have worked to some extent, but still I have some faith on Ayurveda, so I'm going for this. So let's see, and you pray for me. And there are many reviews and all. There are no after reviews for that video, so I was just texting them. So this is a parcel which I received immediately of the next day, and actually the consultation online was 500 rupees I paid for the online consultation, and this parcel costed me for 20,000 monthly for 1 month, and additional 500 you're supposed to send for the courier charges. It depends upon the city where you stay. And the pin code is important for the delivery. So I have got this, and I'll be opening this and showing you like what is there in this. So I take good packing, they are done. Even I searched for this medicine, once I got the prescription in this medicine, and this medicine is available in India Mart. India Mart for the bulk they have given, but even then it shows the Punarjan Ayurvedic only for this medicine. Oh, there's a bubble wrap also package, very nice, and this is a lot for each and he is Dr. Bomu Venkatesh or Venkateshwar Reddy. You can find his videos over the net, but they don't mention the cost of the medicine because see it varies from person to person. So maybe that might be the reason why they don't share the medication. But they share the history, cancer history of patients. And what they told me, like I asked them like there will be any side effects, but they told like there will be no side effects. But this cancer medicine, chemo or anything, it creates heat in your body, and so that heat to sustain that heat is supposed to drink lot of waters. Even chemo I will be drinking lot of water, and coconut water, but this time they told no for the coconut oil because they told to stop sugar, jaggery, anything, fruits which are high concentrate of sugars will be there like bananas, sapota, and sitafal. These fruits they told no, and they have given the diet chart also like how we are supposed to take the diet. They stopped me to take white rice, so I'll be going for the alternate rices like millets. Millets here has gone right, so this time Pushpa will be eating millets from now. So this is a boost, immune boost, and this is Kasigi which I got. Even this is this immune boost. So these four tablets, they have four bottles. So these four bottles, I'm supposed to take it daily. There is something written, so I should follow that. So you pray for me, and I'll be taking this medicine for 2 months, and let's see and hope that it shrinks and doesn't go to anywhere. And next time I'll be going for the PET scan, and I'll show you what happens in the PET. And you people need to be very strong, like when you're going for the PET, because I think myself, Pushpa, you can do it, but for me it will be very difficult. And the support is important since my mom is in US, so this is the main reason I didn't go for the PET scan, because once I'm on bed, I cannot do anything on my own. And moral support, everything my mom, the prayer support, everything my mom, and she should be with me. So I'm waiting for her to come to India for the support again. People say I'm a warrior, but my mom is a double warrior. So thanks for watching my channel. Do like, subscribe, and share this video, because this video should go for the people who are suffering, and the alternate medicine also. Like people are taking and the medicine, but I find very few people sharing their history and what they are doing and how they're getting recovered. The reason why I started this channel is to know, like people should know like what is happening and what the best you can do, and why you are supposed to do, and why chemo is important, why the treatment is important. Because see, life and death, it happens. It's a journey of life. Death is also a journey of life, and we are supposed to accept that. But being a victim of cancer and pain within your belly or in your body organs with the cancer, a different story which is upside down. So that pain is to bear the pain and the mental agony and the devastation which happens within your body as well as within your mind. Even the patient who suffers, it more better. So what I encourage the patients and the survivors, if you are taking any medication, do share, so that people like me, people like many of us who want to know about the treatment and what people are doing. See, you cannot compare with one another, and you cannot follow the same line of treatment with the other cancer. But even then, like the people will be watching videos, because I am the one when I got diagnosed in 2019. I have been watching many videos and how about this, what people are doing. Many little amount of stories are there in the internet for this, what you are supposed to do. See, people speak about that, but not the patients. Patients should speak and tell like what is happening to them. So this is what me doing here. So it's not that I'm just making myself like I'm telling everyone, but the spirit is like you need to come out and you need to do a betterment for your life, for your body, because your body is a temple of Christ. And see, your God lives within us, and we need to be happy and healthy. So this is me and my agenda. So keep smiling and be happy. Even if you lose your hair, you are the most beautiful person in earth. So don't feel that you are a zero or you are something and all. So you can do it, and the career and the money support. Even for me, the support is very important because at this moment I lost my career and there is no growth. I've been working, but due to many restrictions, I stopped my own business of plans and making shows over it, and even my professional growth is very much hampered because I cannot go out for projects and all, for meetings and all. I cannot sit more in the time, and even people don't offer you a job with this story. So people or the companies should encourage survival, but they think that the incidents cost them. So this is the main reason why I left Island FS. Island FS was a big company, Shadowback, but at the moment when I got diagnosed, it was in trouble, bankruptcy, and the company was moving out. And I was asked to quit the job because to sustain themselves with the expensive. So, and I personally, my friend of mine has offered me a job, work from before the COVID. I was on work from home and till date I'm from home. So do support my channel, and if you want any online plans, there are a lot of collections. I have almost 400 to 500 collection of plants, and this maintenance is becoming a big headache for me because I shifted to an apartment, and this apartment people, they do have some rules and all. Even then I bypassed everything because I was strongly supporting my plants and all, and I cannot throw them out. So this is the reason, like, I'm putting my effort into the plants and all, because it's I do have a business of that, but now I don't sell anything because I don't have any orders. So if you people want to encourage me through selling of my plants, taking the live plant, because I don't sell any trash or any plastic kind of plants. I sell only live plants. They are beautiful, and they are the therapy for me, and it could be a therapy for you also. So any patient or anyone having some trouble, what I say is, you go and buy a plant, and you grow a plant, because you can just pacify your inner thoughts and all with growing and playing in the mud. I play in mud. I replant, repot everything. I do a lot of exercise with the plants because that is my journey with the plants and all. It's a relaxing mode for me. So that's it. And do subscribe to my channel because at this moment, like, very few subscribers, but and one day we cannot move the mountains, and mountain will be moved someday, and I have that faith that this channel also will grow. Even I have a technical session because whatever things I know, I want to tell the kids or the next generation, like what best you can do in the geospatial industry, because I have many limitations. Even then, I cannot cross the boundaries now to in search of a career and improve my career. So what I do is, whatever I know, I want to share with the people, like how this industry is booming up, and it has a good future, even because without GIS, GPS, and the satellite technology, like, we as human beings could not move ahead, because the future is within the spatial technology only and the telecommunications. So I do have some expertise in that, and I want to teach people on that. So I taught in IGNFA for the IFS professionals and many mid-career training for the IAS, IPS, and the IFS officers. So this is my experience and about me. So do follow my technical channel also if you have any interest in the technical part. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.